Hey guys, welcome to another video. This time, as you know, we're still working on the Golf, but we're going to replace the rear diffuser. Now, as you can see on this standard 1.4 TSI Golf, it's a little bit boring. It's got not much curb appeal to it. So what we're going to be doing is installing this GTI TCR rear diffuser, and then in the long term we'll also be installing the exhaust that goes with it. So what we've got here is we've got the diffuser itself, and then we've got the left insert, and then we've also got the right insert. And I've gone and bought some fittings for it. So let me show you how this gets installed. First things first, we've got one T25 torque screw to remove on this side, and the same on the other. And then we've got some T15s, one there and one there to remove, before we can then pop out the clips and remove the rest of the rear valance. Okay, so the rear diffuser, original ones, finally come off. As you can see, those clips right in these corners, these two particularly difficult as you try and get it started. You can see there I've gone with the screwdriver and I've mashed it up a little bit, and that should be all right. Doesn't seem cracked. And then on the inside, it's this one just there, which is a little bit finicky. Start at one end. Once you manage to get it off, this bit and this bit, keep pulling. As you can see, it's quite filthy, but that's not an issue, as we're now going to fit the new rear valance. Okay, so little update. The diffuser is on. As you can see here, it just pushes outside of the bumper. Fitment's not perfect, but you know, they're two OEM bumper and an OEM GTI TCR diffuser. I've already put the insert on this side and tied down the wheel arch back in. As you can see, it's looking absolutely ridiculous. And then now I've just got the 2 holding screws to put back in here, and then the insert there. Let's get to